Now we're going to do a few problems deciding if these numbers are even or odd. So it says decide if this number is even or odd by circling the pairs. So what I could do, this is the number 15. I could draw 15 dots and circle the pairs. Or remember, when we're doing even and odd, we only need to look at the number in the ones place. So all I need to do is draw 5 circles because the 5 is in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next thing I need to do is circle my pairs. Here's a pair. Here's a pair. Oh no, this one doesn't have a pair. That's a little bit odd. So this number is an odd number. You can circle it at the bottom of the screen or you can write it. You're going to practice some by yourself on the next few pages.